crank sensor. That's the crank sensor down there. Okay. Now, undo a little metal clip at the back. Pull off the wire. There's the sensor. And just slide it out like that. Out comes the sensor. Okay. Right, old sensor on the left, new sensor on the right, obviously. As you can see, on the very end of the crank sensor, there's a little pip, a little kind of a tit there in the end. And that is how you set a new sensor. Okay, so the idea is, you see the little tip on the end of that one, and it's worn off on that one. So when you put this new sensor into the holder, which is into the little mounting bracket for the crankshaft position sensor, which is down there where we were working. So I'm just trying to get this all focused really here. Okay, see him there? Right, now, in there, there's a ring gear behind the flywheel that has teeth on it, and you need to get one of those teeth to line up through that hole so that when that ring gear spins, it'll shave off the little tit on the end of the new sensor. Okay, and it's going to be hard for you to see, but I'll try my best. In through that hole, you can see one of the teeth. Can you see it there? See the little shiny, yeah, see the teeth? That's one of the teeth off the ring gear. So that's lined up perfectly. And what you do is you pop in your new sensor and hope for the best. Now that's our brand new sensor in. A little tip that I just discovered is that when you touch the end of the sensor off the ring gear behind the flywheel, okay, so when it's resting, a way to know it's correctly resting off the tooth is that the magnet in the sensor actually pulls against the tooth. Okay, so you can feel it pull down onto the flywheel, onto the ring gear behind the flywheel, sorry. And then you know you're in the right spot. And pop in your little 8mm stud, do it up, hop on your electrical connector, and that's a new camshaft position sensor in a Defender 2.4 TDCi Puma, and the same crack applies for the Transit.